Hello there. I'm here. Hold on. Shit. April 2nd, Saturday, April 2nd, 2016. Saturday, April 2nd, 2016. Yeah, I'm here at McKinley Paper. Check it out, McKinley Paper shit right here. And then, so somebody took my load that was going to Santa Teresa to go home and shit. And, yeah. So I'm just gonna have to maybe go empty. They don't want to answer the phone right now. I don't know, maybe there's just one person at the office, but it's kind of weird. It's odd. That Swift over there fell halfway into the ditch and shit. Uh, fell halfway into the ditch, so they're waiting to prevent it from rolling over. They're waiting on the crane to come take it out. That's it. Swift and shit. Later. Later spot. Leaving. Bye. Bye.